Porsche 911 Classic Club Coupe sold for record price of $1.2 million US. A Porsche enthusiast secured the unique vehicle that Porsche Classic built for the Porsche Club of America. Over 2.5 years, the classic car experts painstakingly restored the Porsche 911 Classic Club Coupe from a used 911 Carrera, Type 996, built in 1998. In the spirit of the Porsche Sonderwunsch program, the sports car was also extensively customized. The auction took place as part of the 75th anniversary celebration of Porsche Cars North America at the Porsche Experience Center, Atlanta, USA. A total of 75 Porsche rarities were on offer at the Broad Arrow Auction House during the event. Among the collectibles offered by private owners were a 904 Carrera GTS from 1964, a 962 from 1984, and a 911 SC Safari Rally from 1980. One source of inspiration for the vehicle project was the 911 Sport Classic 997, launched in 2009. This special model, limited to 250 units, was not sold in the United States. Other features incorporated in the vehicle during its restoration came from the new 911 Sport Classic 992, which was still under wraps at the time, and included the sport gray metallic exterior and the seat center panels, which combined borrowings from both vehicles, braided leather and Pepita houndstooth look. With this one-off, Porsche Classic and the PCA achieved a similarly exciting vehicle concept and took it to the USA. At the same time, the model showed just what is possible as part of the new Porsche Classic Sonderwunsch program. The special features of the Porsche 911 Classic Club Coupe include its sport gray metallic paintwork with light gray and blue accents, double dome roof, Fuchs rims, and the fixed rear spoiler in the ducktail style of the 911 Carrera RS 2.7 from 1972. Many of the exterior and interior details are customized with PCA's signature club blue. The center panels of the sport seats, like the door panels, are made of intricate woven leather in a Pepita houndstooth pattern. The vehicle has been technically and to some extent visually transformed, with the powertrain of the second generation 996 GT3 enabling it to get 381 PS out of a 3.6-liter engine. The chassis and brakes also come from the GT3.